Hello, friends, welcome you all on our channel, You Next Officer. We are back with our discussion of Sociology Optional CSC previous years questions, right? So, do subscribe, share, like our channel for more such future quality content. So, here we are with our initiative discussing sociology daily one question of sociology UPSC means and provide you a model answer, right? Join our Telegram channel for PDF and model answer. So today's topic is based on industrial revolution. Industrial revolution and how it leads to changes in the life of the people that time living in a Europe, right? So coming back to the discussion, here we are. So our first question is this is from 2010, right? Write a short note. How did emergence of industrial society change the family life in the Western Europe? Right? We have to discuss it. And what in this initiative, what I am planning to do is not only giving you a model answer, but also make you learn how to structure the question, how to write the answer, right? This is important to cater all the aspect of the question. Okay, so after reading the question, that is emergence of industrial society changes the family life in the Western Europe. So this is the question. I think you got everyone got the question. Now we'll back with our solution, right? This is the introduction of industrial revolution. So we have to discuss how industrial revolution led to the changes in the life of the people, right? And that changes in the life of the people is not only uh, within the wall of factory, but these changes that occurred that time in the during the industrial revolution led to changes in bring brought changes in the family life as well, right? So we are reading this definition. We have to write this definition actually. See, this definition is written by given by Harold Perkin. We have to remember his name, and this is Harold Perkin. What it is industrial revolution? Industrial revolution is not just mere development. See, every word is important. Industrial revolution is not mere development. It is a scientific technique, tools, process. It is not just a development that scientific techniques developed, tools developed, machine developed. No, it is a development. It brought, that is industrial revolution brought social changes, right? And it these changes has cause and effect. So this is the introduction. We have to write it. See, this question is of 150 marks, right? See, 150 words, right? 10 marks, 150 words. So we have to uh, answer it answer it accordingly, right? Okay, so this is done. So this is the introduction part, industrial revolution. So you can also write about the industrial, what is industrial revolution means, definition, more definition of industrial revolution. But I prefer to writing Harold Perkin definition, what he explained in the context of this family life. Industrial revolution and the family life is important, right? Moving on to the next part, that is change the family life system, how industrial revolution led to the changes in the family life. So the first one is dilution of kinship, right? Dilution of kinship. What is kinship means? It's a family life, right? uh rishtedari, relationship, right? This is called as a kinship, and that has had changes severely, right? Next, dilution of kinship. Due to the revolution, urban migration occur, mechanical solidarity. See, how we have to understand how he explains, means Durkheim explained. So if kinship affected, kinship, this is kinship, it is affected due to what? Industrial revolution, right? This is industrial revolution and this kinship affected according to the means according to the answer, right? Kinship affected. So the family life transformed into from mechanical solidarity to organic solidarity, right? Organic solidarity. The people, family members are associated with each other just because they want them, right? They want their support. So their support means in the family, occasionally they want their support, not, they are not ready to live together as a whole family, or in India we called as a joint family. So they were not ready, right? Moving on to the second point. So a transformation of role of the women, transformation of the role of the women, right? So see, the role of the women had been transformed, right? Transformation of the role of the women. The women are not only economic contributor in the family but also a decision maker. See, if the women role has been transformed, so what will be the result? See, say women, if women take the decision, women role was transformed due to industrial revolution, right? So women has say on what? On economic life, economic life, political life, political sphere. Life is what? Sphere. Economic life, right? Social stature of the women has been increased, right? Has been improved. So this is the women, right? So moving on to next part, that is the third point. Increasing the rate of divorce. See, if the women are independent, women were independent that time, even we take the example of present, so they are not subjected to they are not subjected to suppress themselves. No one is subjected to suppress themselves, right? So they can the women can take their own decision, they have their own rights, they have their own say, they have their own voice, right? So rate of the divorce is increasing, right? So see, independence increases but less time for the leisure for each other, and this led to the increase in conflict in the family. Next, fourth point, emergence of new structure in the family. See, new structure developed because earlier the Europe was also a traditional society, right? Feudal society. So because of that, because of the industrial revolution, a new family structure developed, emergence of new structure, nuclear family and live-in partners, right? These are the new structure in the family because of what? Industrial revolution. Why people like these kind of relationship? Because of they started living together without any social and economic bondage, right? This is important because these social and economic bondage means if they were not present, the economic and social bondage were not present, so definitely it is going to serve industrial revolution, right? Men and women both become the factory labor, right? Men plus male and female both will become the factory labor, right? Factory labor हो गए वो. Next, so there is an increase in the crime rate, right? Next, subhuman condition, poverty perpetuates, right? Okay. Next, See, we have to remember this question is of 150 words, right? We have to write, so we have to write within the limit, right? Word limit. We have to do it. So that's why the answer is not of 2-3 page. Even I can explain you or will give you the model answer of 200 pages, but is of no use, right? It is of no use because you have to write within 2 pages this answer, right? So learn to just concise your matter, right? This is also very important. Next is whole society. See, one thing we need to remember, because of the industrial revolution, because of the industrial revolution, because of the industrial revolution, whole society divided into two parts. One is haves society, another is have not society, right? Have society and have not society. We have to understand. And this led to the social changes. See, the haves means plus society. They can live in luxury, right? They increase their, they have the power to increase the consumption, right? So these are the factors that really affect the family life. Next, haves and have not. See, we need to conclude. The industrial revolution brought a tremendous change in the structure, family standard, living standard. The authority of the church is questioned. So finally, ending up this question, what we have learned, see how we have to structure our answer. The first one is the definition, right? We have to define it first. Second part, what we have to do, define. I have given you about Harold Perkin, right? Harold Perkin definition, right? Then we have to write it down 4 to 5 points, right? How family life, how industrial revolution impacting family life plus social changes, right? Okay. And then finally, the conclusion part. See, the answering is very easy. You need to understand how to answer, right? Conclusion, that's it. So every question has 3 parts. First is the intro part. In the intro, we have to either define it, or will present the some kind of data, right? Where in the sociology, it is more or less, it is less applicable. It is applicable in GS answer, means providing data and facts, but the definition part is should be there in our sociological answer, in our sociology answer. Through the sociological, we can also write a sociological perspective, how functionalists reacted to the industrial revolution, how conflict theorists reacted to the that is industrial revolution or modernity. See, in the very first question I had covered that in structure sociological perspective. Go and refer that, right? Next. Yes, so it is over now. The question is done. The quote church authorities question, that is over. So thank you guys for understanding, for listening, and do write your comment. Give suggestion to us how to improve or what to do more to help you more, right? Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.